Statutory Interpretations, Week 8 readings, for Public Law. My name is Ebony Arnold. An overview on statutory interpretation is the process by which courts interpret and apply legislation. Judges must interpret it based on their knowledge of the law and their legal background. It has to be interpreted by judges because the laws are very vague and unclear. Three main interpretation laws: Interpretation Act, Interpretation Rules, Individual Statutes and Regulations, and Common Law.
Interpretation Act means to interpret the legislation. Every Canadian jurisdiction has Interpretation Act that contains many rules relevant to statutes in general. Every enactment applies to the whole of Canada unless it is conflicting with the enactment. Common law and civil law are equal authority and recognized by sources of the law.
Terminology. When enactment has civil and common law terminology, or it has different meaning in civil and common law, terminology must be adopted in the province of Quebec. Common law is adopted in the other provinces.
Interpreting rules, acts, and regulations. Individual acts and regulations contain definitions, applications, provisions, and purpose statements. It is used to interpret particular words used in legislation to be understood. Beginning of statutes indicate reasons for new legislation and the benefits of it. End of statutes tell you when legislation will begin or come into force and how it applies to the situation.
End of statutes tell you when legislations will begin or come into force and how it applies to the situation. Canadian Human Rights Act. The purpose to extend laws in Canada to give effect. Every individual should have the same equal opportunity as one another. They are able to have their needs accommodated regularly with their duties and obligations as a member of the society without being prevented to do so by discriminatory practices based on race, national or ethnic sources, color, religion, age, sex orientation, marital status, and more. Common law rules. Statutory interpretation is rooted in common law and is also known as rules. These rules operate in guidelines and they offer interpreters a checklist of relevant considerations. They are relied on by counsel in developing arguments. They are relied on by counsel in developing interpretations of disputes. And by the judges' outcome in interpretations of disputes.
Range of interpretation issues. Statutory disputes about the meaning of legislative text. There are gaps in legislative schemes, and the question is whether court can do anything about it. When there are overlaps between clear provision and common law, the question is whether both apply. Determining the meaning of legislative text is important to interpreters.
The question is whether both apply. Determining the meaning of legislative text is important to interpreters. Rules about meaning. There is ordinary meaning rules, technical meaning rules, share meaning rules, original meaning rules, plausible meaning rules.